Hey guys, quick fix, hack video if your iPhone is not charging. This will work with any iPhone, even Samsung phones probably, but it's a very simple trick. There's two ways to do this, and I'm doing this super quick video for you guys that don't have the patience to watch 5-6 minutes. I do have a longer detailed video, where a lot of people thank me for showing this fix. So this is the quick version for those that just have a couple minutes to watch because their phone is probably a 1%. First thing is, your cable has to go all the way in to charge this phone. There might be a reason why this is not happening, because there's a lint. Turn off your phone, grab a toothpick or something, and get all that gunk out. Blow it out. Once it's out, you should have a good tight connection, and now your phone should be charging. If you have a loose port, that will be another issue. You always have to have it on an angle. For that fix, we go to step 2. Get yourself some good simple electrical tape. This costs $1. I like this tape because it's stiff. You actually don't want the soft tape because it will move around too much. Cut yourself about a 1/4-inch piece. You're going to stick this on the inside. This is not going to damage your phone. This is electrical tape. You're not touching any electrical ports with this, so I assure you you're not going to damage it. You're putting it on the side where your screen is. That's not where the cables that connect to the cable are on the inside of the phone. They're on this side on the back. So all you're doing is putting this on the back here. Just get all the way to the bottom. Get a toothpick. Make sure it's a nice snug connection. You're going to overlap the last to the front. You can cut this off if it's excess, but your case is also going to hold it, so that's a plus. And now you have a good, strong connection. Your phone should be charging perfectly. This literally works 99% of the time. If you want a more detailed video, check my bio. I do have posted a couple of them in more detail and explaining all of this. But I hope this saved your phone. I hope this saved you money. You don't have to go to Apple, spend a fortune. Thank you for watching, guys, and check out my stuff. I got more coming.